So first of all, you guys go to your Clickbank marketplace. You can see right now I am in my Clickbank marketplace, and you guys can see categories. So I am going in e-business and e-marketing. Simply click this because this is known as make money online niche. So scroll down and let's see the product. We are just finding a product related to jobs providing product. For now, you can see that here is the one: get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Secondly, write app reviews, and we're gonna click wealth system, and there's a lot of offers, but we're gonna select right now is this offer is known as paid online jobs to get paid to simple the writing online jobs. Okay, so the gravity is 60, above 50 gravity is really good, so we go with like this one. And you can see that recurring billing, it means this blue sign means if you sell this product one time, you are getting sales every single month with this offer. So this is a really good offer. You guys just promote this. But first of all, let's see the sales page of this offer. Simply click this and let's see. So you can see that paid online writing jobs, looking for a real online job. So here is a sales page, sales video, sorry. And then scroll down. Here is if anybody comes to this side, they will add their CV name, a last name, email address. They ask for the experience, skills, and then education, hour availables, and desire pay, and reason for applying. So these are the form. Literally this is very engaging sales page, to be honest, according to me. Very engaging sales page. So let's go and promote this offer, but make sure get your affiliate link and save in your notepad. And I'm going to show you what you guys can do with your affiliate link. Okay, so I'm going to show you a site, but before, you can see that this website is getting 3.29 million visits every single month. I'm going to show you site in a second, but you can see there is a lot of visit this website is getting. And scroll down, you can see that 81.32% traffic comes from United States. It means the tier 1, almost 80 more than 80% traffic goes to this website is tier 1 country traffic is United States. Second is India, then Colombia, then Brazil, then Morocco. So these are the countries, but the majority of people, United States, 80% go to this website. And I'm going to show you what is this website is about. Okay, so let's go to this site. This site is called locanto.com. So what is this site is about? So this site is about, like, a lot of people, like, first of all, this website is almost all over the world. You can see, you guys can change if you want to post your ad in any other country, for example Austria, India, Mexico, Singapore, you got, and show all. There's a lot of countries. If you want to promote your ad, your service, your product in any of these countries, you guys can select these countries. But right now I am promoting in United States. So first of all, what is this site is about? In this site, a lot of people came for classes. Second is community. Third is events. If there is any event near by their homes or their area, they will go. Fourth is a lot of people are selling their homes, bikes, like mobiles, cycles, beds, or furniture, anything. They will post their products or like services in for sale. Jobs, a lot of people are finding jobs and they directly simply click jobs. They will get a job with this website. A lot of personal means these guys are getting like dating in personal. You guys can promote like dating, personal development type of offers, real estate. So a lot of people are selling homes, a lot of people are rent out their homes, and this is real estate servicing. In servicing, you guys can find technician, plumber, electrician, or a car mechanic. In vehicles, you guys can find cars, bikes, and accessories related to vehicles. So for example, I'm gonna give you one example. So there is a Houston, for example. If anybody lives in Houston, if they click Houston first of all, and then they, for example, go to services. If you need a plumber, right? if they click Houston first, you are finding a plumber in Houston. For example, if you are in Houston, you simply click services and you want to find a plumber, you just simply find a plumber near your area. So in this way you guys can find plumber nearby you. So this website shows you nearby your offers or services or real estate, anything. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, first of all, I'm gonna show you states. We are not promoting our ads on this locations. We are posting our ads in a whole state. So for example, I'm go with like, first is Alaska, and then I'm gonna go New York, New Jersey, and Ohio. I'm just give you an example right now. So these are the different states. You guys can make sure you guys must promote all your ads on different states, okay, in every country. So for example, you guys simply click jobs. So you can see that our New York jobs is ready, which I click it, and there is a lot of jobs related to like different sectors, different niches. So for example, if anybody wants to find a job related to part-time jobs, if they directly click part-time jobs, and you can see there's a lot of jobs related to part-time in New York City. Okay, you guys go to Alaska, simply click part-time jobs. Make sure you guys promote your ad in every state of US, okay, and there's not a lot of people are promoting the right stuff. So Amazon warehouse, so there's a lot of offers, and we are promoting our offer related to online job. If anybody types online job, your ad will show up. You guys can see a lot of people are posting their ads. So let's see, a lot of people are also posting a driving ads. You guys can see truck driver, they need a truck driver, and another one is paid part-time jobs, part-time teller, looking for assistant with good hands. So you can see that people are posting jobs related to, a lot of people are posting a lot of jobs in these areas. You guys just simply add online jobs, okay, because a lot of people are searching for online jobs. So first of all, I'm gonna add it. So I'm gonna type like online part-time jobs and simply click this, and let's see. So you can see that only 3 results. You find only 3 results. So what is mean by that? If you add in your title online part-time job, there is most likely chance that a lot of people are finding jobs nowadays, work from home, so your offer will sell really fast. Okay, so now we're gonna close all these tabs and we directly go to the main page. Once you log in your page, make sure sign up account very easy. Then you guys can see post a free ad. Simply click this, and now we're gonna post our ad. So first of all, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna show you. First of all, I'm type test, and you can see for jobs, and where we're gonna add our job is not showing part-time job. So right now we're gonna I'm gonna select is marketing and advertising. Simply click this, scroll down, and now you can see part-time job. Simply click this, and now we're gonna add our main title and description. Okay, so there you go, and I'm gonna add my description. There you go. Make sure create an engaging description, and now you guys can add your image. Make sure create a really engaging image. So I have available, I got this image from Google. Okay, so you can see that I upload 2 images right now, and scroll down, you can see that you guys can also select, for example, part-time job. In here you guys must add your affiliate link here, and scroll down, and where we post our ads. So for example, make sure you guys must post everywhere in United States. So for example, I'm gonna post in New York City right now for showing New York State. So I'm gonna post only in New York. So now what we're gonna do, first of all, make sure understand this website is allow you to post your main affiliate link, but the affiliate link not looks really good, right? And this website don't allow you to add a bit.ly or tiny short URL link. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to this site. Is called shrinkearn.com. Shrinkearn, what this website does, this will short your link, and this website also pay you if you short your link with this website. I'm going to show you the payout rates. So you can see that $20, $13, $10, $7. It means 1,000 people view your link. For example, from Greenland you get $20, and 1,000 people view your link from United States, you can see you get $7. And we are promoting our offer in United States. If 1,000 people view our ad, we get $7 with this offer. Okay, we are also getting $7 if we promote our offer with this. So make sure you guys can find a sign up button here. I have my account available and login. So make sure once you sign up, it is very easy. Add your email and password and your account will be created. Then I'm gonna go in my dashboard, and what we're gonna do is make sure get your affiliate link like this. Simply copy, and there's a lot of options and stats, everything you guys can see, views, earnings, referral, CPM. So you can see new short link. Click this new shorten link and simply add your affiliate link here and simply short. And now you guys can simply copy that link and go back to our ad. And now I'm gonna add my affiliate link here and scroll down, and website is really important. You guys simply add your affiliate link here. Okay, then we are done and we are good to go. Our ad, you can see title, description, image is really good. Part-time job and street, city, we just added a state, and simply post your ad. Simply click this. So now this will show you if you want to buy a pro, they will buy you a pro offer or again a pro offer. But right now we are not buying anything pro offers because we want to post our ad for completely free. So we just simply proceed $0. You guys can see, you guys just simply click this my ad. So this is your profile. Okay, so this is your account. Like you can see that you click this my Locanto. I have $0 because I didn't add any of dollars. My active ads and followers, messages. I'm gonna show you how you guys can see your ad. Simply click this active ad and simply click view your ad. So literally right now I post my ad, I got 0 views. Why? Because I posted 0 inquiries, favorites. And you can see that if anybody's message me, they will show in my main account. And this is my 2 images, and scroll down, you can see website link. If anybody clicks this, they directly go to my affiliate link in a sales page and they buy. We get a commission. Recurring commission means we get commission in every single month with this offer if we sell one time. So there is a 2 links I added in this offer, and you can see our ad looks really good. If you want to get more views, then you must be paid to Locanto.com. But to be honest, I'm not recommend to pay Locanto right now. Make sure get few sales. Once you get few sales, then you guys can go with buy more views with this offer. Okay, with this platform. Okay.